So there we have the HMS Caroline, fought in the Battle of Jutland in the First World War. It's sweeping round. Well, that's the Titanic pump house, and where those white vans are sitting, that's the in behind. That's the Thompson dock where the Titanic was built. And out on the horizon there is the Borealis, and it's occupying the Belfast cruise ship terminal quay. And sweeping round we have got Viking Venus. It's quite blustery, so I'll not talk too much here. So are coming in. Beautiful brand new ship, probably in the region of 400 million, 500 million. I wonder what this doorway is for. That's the Stena. I think it's the Stena. Let's see. Not sure which Stena it is. Could it be the Ida? Looks like another boat parked up there as well. Another Stena. Okay, see you soon.